Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix EA Sports Madden NFL 26 gamepad or controller not working. So if you are into the same issue and looking for fixes, then go through this video guide. So the first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon over here, then click on power and then select restart. After your system restart once, try to launch the game and check if gamepad or controller is working or not. Second is to update your controller drivers. For that, you first need to connect your PC and controller, and after that go to the search option over here, search for device manager, then go below and expand human interface devices. Here select your device and after that click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. After your drivers are updated, now check if the controller is working or not. Next solution is to enable or disable Steam input. For that, go to Steam over here. Under library section, select your game. Right click on it, click on properties and then click on controller over here. And here you need to select enable Steam input and after that check if it's working or not. If not, then again go back, right click on it, select properties, go to the controller and here simply select disable Steam input and after that try to check if gamepad or controller is working or not. The next solution is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, then click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. After verifying the game files, now try to check if the gamepad or controller is working now. Next method is to check for game update. You must check if there is any update available for the game. After updating the game, try to launch the game once and check if it's working. Here, after going to the Steam under library section, select your game and here you can see if there is any update available. If there is any update, simply click on update and once your game is updated, now check if the controller or gamepad is working for you or not. Next solution is to launch Steam in big picture mode. For that, go to Steam and then click here in the big picture mode. This will enter big picture mode. After this, select your game from here and then try to play it. After that, try to play it and then check if it's working. Once you try to play it, simply click on Steam over here and then click on power and click on exit big picture mode and after that check if the gamepad or controller is working or not. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to the search option over here, search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you can see it's saying you are updated. It's saying you are up to date. So if here it's saying you are up to date. So you can also check by clicking on check for updates option. If there is any update available, simply update your Windows to the latest version and then check if it's working now. Next method is to install DS4 Windows tool. For if you are a Windows users, then you need to install DS4 Windows tool. For that, I have provided the link in the description. Just copy it and go through it or simply search DS4 on your browser, then open the website and from here simply click on download option and from here you need to download the DS4 version on your PC and after that check if gamepad or controller is working or not. So all these are few solutions that are suggested to fix gamepad or controller not working on Madden NFL 26 game. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.